The parent table and the camper table should have a relationship and are not showing one. This is under Database Tools, Relationships. So drag Parent ID to Parent ID on the camper table. It's supposed to enforce the referential integrity and cascade update related fields. And click Create. And that's all for number 5. On the reservation table, Parent ID 101, which is this first one, should have an updated adult price of $245 for adult price, and its child price should be $215. Once you click off of that, you will automatically be saved. The waiver query says you are about to run an update query that will modify data in your table. I'm going to close this and see what's wrong with it first. So I'll right click and go into Design View, and there's no field there to update. Should be the waiver field, in the parent table. So I'm going to resize this so I can read this. And here's the waiver. Drag it down here and update to NO. Click off of it and run it. You're about to update 22 rows, that's correct, and click Yes. Then close it and save it. And then you can open Parent and scroll over to the waiver field, and all of them should be No. They were empty before this. In the Session 1 Total Fees query, that's this one, the Parent ID field should be moved to the right of the Session ID field. And looks like it is. The Session 1 Total Fees query should contain a calculated field. So I'm going to go to Design View. After the lodging field. And I'm going to right click and zoom so I can see it better. And they want total fees as the heading in a colon space. And then they are adding 3 columns. Fields should have the brackets around them. So what they're adding is adult total plus child total plus lodging. So adult total, child total, and lodging, and click OK. And run that and scroll over. And you can see where they have the total fees. And of course, always close it and save it. On the younger males query, go to Design View, and gender should not show, but the criteria should be M for male, and the age should be less than, try that again, it put something else in there, M for male. Okay, and the age should be less than, be sure you put the small end, caret, and 10, and then run. 3 things you had to do there: not show the gender, M for gender, and less than 10 for age. Run, and you should see 8 records of kids that are under 10. In the session's total query and design view, a total row should be added into design view and set to group by in the session's ID. So in the show hide, turn on totals, group by, and then this should be count. And then run. And save it.